So birds of a feather flock together. It's a sort of a play on the flocking term. It's flying relative with other parachutes. Imagine sort of flying side by side or in front, and it gives us an opportunity to build really nice shapes in the sky. It's a real aesthetically pleasing sport.
For me, flocking is flying with a group of people in formations without the canopies or persons touching.
A Birds of Feather event is about bringing everyone together as a community, from 50 jumps all the way through to thousands of jumps, and all being in the community together to build flocking jumps. So it starts off with the basics, works its way through to the advanced stuff, but we're all working on the same things, but just at a different level.
It's all inclusive, and you can do it from B licence and above. Basically, if you can fly your parachute, then you're starting to learn the lessons around flocking. I put together an event, and at the same time friend Zach Rosser was sort of doing a similar thing in South Australia. We realised we had the same goals, really working down the same path, so ultimately we've sort of come together to produce these quality events.
Here at Far North Freefall, it's been awesome seeing the progression from jump one all the way through to the end, watching that everyone have that clicking moment, and then watching people's skills progress has been super cool. The jumps that we started off with were super basic, and I think we ended up doing some really cool stuff.
Of course, I jumped at the opportunity to be able to fly and share my knowledge, and also learn from some of the people who are up here as well, like your Fitchies and your Kais. Those guys are incredible people to fly around, and probably don't get as much credit as I think they should sometimes of their skill level. So to learn off them myself, and then learn also off Zach and Jesse as far as the flocking event was really cool.
Yeah, come and do it. Don't feel like you don't know enough, or you haven't got enough experience. Come with an open mind and expect to learn a lot.